Sikubingelele mlaleli kule channel yethu Mr. D Media. Siyacela uma ungaka subscribe khona nsuku zonke masikhuluma indaba noma sishare indaba nabantu kube ukuthi nawe khona uyazilalela. Kanti lokuqala namhlanje siqala ngelithi ushaqile umphakathi wasemlindelweni eMamelodi East kulandela ukudutshulwa kukaTumelo Mokwele. Kuthiwa uTumelo Mokwele lo sesithombeni abanye bebahleli ngaphansi kwetende kwasengena umlisi owaziwayo endaweni obizwa umlisa Mumbelona obizwa ngokuthi igama lakhe umlisa vele. Ube esecela ukukhuluma nomufi ngaphandle. Nokuthe kusenjalo kwezwakala umsindo wesibhamu. Nalapho bathe bayobheka khona bamthola edindilize phansi. Ushiya abantwana bakhe abathathu abangasenayo mama. Kanti sekuzwakale amahemhem athi u-Elon Musk noDonald Trump ongumongameli waseMelika baqala ukungezwani kahle. Namhlanje kwinkundla yezokuxhumana i-X kubonakale u-Elon Musk engathi ufuna ukuqala iqembu elisha lepolitiki nosukuthusa abantu abaningi. Okhulumela amabhunu uthi yena bona abashongo ukuthi amafama ayabulawa eSouth Africa kodwa bona balisana nenkulumo eyavela ethi makubulawa amabhunu. Nayividiyo ziswele.
Louis, you guys still maintain, you still insist this genocide against white farmers. Have you changed your mind now?
No, we have never called it a genocide against white farmers. We have, however, called the chant of kill the Boer as an incitement to genocide, but we have never described the current state of farm murders as a genocide.
So where does Donald Trump get that definition from? Because he said it came out from the information that was given to him. Sorry, when I spoke to Kali Creel, your boss at AfriForum, he said you did hand over stuff over the last few years to American politicians like Donald Trump.
Yes, so that's publicly available, what we handed over to them, the information we gave, and it never said, we never stated that a genocide is occurring. And if he got that from South Africa, it would rather have been from some media outlet misquoting us, which we have seen several times, and we don't know why media outlets do that. And our only suspicion is that sometimes, for whatever reasons, people want to shift the debate from farm murders and farm attacks is a real problem, it's a real crisis we're facing, to is it a genocide or not? And we're saying we don't want to waste our energy on debating whether it is a genocide or not, or what is a genocide or not. We're saying this is a very real problem, along with other kinds of violent crimes in South Africa, and we need to put in our effort to combat violent crime, and especially farm